There's a woman in this house. I want to start winding up. There's a woman in this house. You had 4 children where you were living before. 2 birds will always come there to cry and to shout. And you lost 1. And now you are having 3. Madam.
Sir.
You ran away after you lost 1 child.
Yes, sir.
And you ran into this child. Okay, do you know this woman? You know her? Does she live around your area? She's living in your village. Child. Eba akoro. Eba ahụ no with ụmụ ya. Ọ na-ere ọka na groundnut.
Yes, sir.
Eghere.
Yes, sir.
Is that the business you do?
Yes, sir.
The same bird that took her child, for which she ran away from where she was living and entered that battle. The same bird followed her. And not just following her. It was 2 before, but now there are 3.
Yes, sir.
And you see them.
Yes, sir. Every blessed day.
Is this your daughter?
Yes, sir.
How old is she?
15 years, sir.
Do you know the birds I'm talking about?
Yes, sir.
I want you people to clean your tears. I don't make people cry. I make them laugh. Achọrọ m ịzụrụ gị groundnut na ọka. I want to buy it from you. But we didn't carry the same groundnut na ọka. Ọka igwe. Why are you pursuing another and killing innocent children? Who is Okon?
My husband, sir.
Also no Okon ka ya na-achọ. But you can't be looking for Okon and you are killing innocent children that came into the world. Ọka ị ga-anwụ ugbu a. Everyone under the influence of my voice, anybody announcing your death will enter the grave. Anybody announcing your death will enter the grave. Will enter the grave. Will enter the grave. Shout your amen 3 times. 1, 2.